So I'm starting rolling out my clay. I'm using two wooden guides either side of the clay to make sure it's rolled out evenly and my owl is the same thickness throughout. Once I've rolled the clay out, I'm going to cut out a large circle on there. So I'm using a template that fits into my clay, cutting out the circles. You can either cut around your template or use a cookie cutter like I've got here. So once I've got my circle, I'm going to model that out. So I'm folding both sides towards the middle and then the top towards the middle. Then I'm fashioning the ears of my owl and kind of flattening it all up into an owl shape on here. Then I'm going to add the eyes, nose, and the eyes and beak. So I'm scratching, putting a little bit of slip, which is a mixture of clay and water, to fashion the eyes into place. And then same for the beak, where I've got a little triangle on here and stick it with scratching and slipping. And then I'm coming back and using mark making to add detail to my owl. So I'm using the little tools in my toolbox and just refining the marks on here. So you can free to create your own marks or get inspiration from mine. So recapping, fold, add the facial features. So you've got eyes and a beak, scratch and slip to hold things together, and adding detail with mark making. So here I'm adding some little balls and kind of refining my design and changing the design from the first one. Beak, scratch and slip, make sure it's all secured in place, and marking and trying out different patterns on there. So you can draw using a pointy tool as well on your owl. So here I've got two owls of different size. Remember to write your name on the back of your work. Now to finish it off, it's nice to dip your finger into a little bit of clean water and just smooth your design over, so it's going to give it a better finish